Hey everybody, some of you already know me and you know that I ride enduro and I travel a lot, and that's what this channel is all about. Recently I bought this Mercedes Sprinter van that I have standing here behind me, and my intention is to rebuild it and build a really nice and comfortable motorhome. The process is going to be extremely slow because I'm an hour 15 minutes from the nearest big city where I can get supplies. So every time I forget a screw or want to get some wood or silicone or all these things that you need when you're doing it yourself, kind of building a van, it's 2.5 hour drive. That's Biddy, that's neighbor's dog that hangs out with us all the time. This is the first time I really built a car from the bottom up, and I'm really cautious with what I'm doing. I'm still in the process of watching a ton of YouTube videos, trying to figure out what other people did and how I can do it myself. So if you're watching this, I hope you do it just for the entertainment purpose. Maybe you can get some ideas of how to convert your own van to a motorhome. Beatty! Sorry, Beatty. Beatty! So basically, I'm no expert. This is the first time I ever do this. So just take this for entertainment purposes. Maybe there's something you can use for your own build if you want to do something similar. And yeah, have fun with me as I spend the next 2, 3, 4, 5 months building this, maybe more, who knows. Currently waiting for a big load of things that I order off the internet, and they should be here in 2 to 3 weeks. So until then, I want to show you just really quick what I've done so far. What to do. There's not very much room to work with here. From here to there, if I put it on 130, it leaves me 60 centimeters. How long is my head? Well, I have to sleep like that then. Let's say I sleep like that. Probably 30. That's a pretty bad measurement technique. I honestly don't know who would want to watch this freaking video. It's the first time I do this. I must be the worst person to copy when it comes to building anything, really. 130, more or less here, 130 here. So that will be 220. That's a good sized bed by 165. That's good for 2 people. Might even be 3. No, I doubt it. And I want to try to move this one over there. So if I come in here, I'll have access to my tools. That'll be really nice. All right? I don't know. I guess I'll change it again. At least it's not heavy. And at least I'm not alone doing this. Oh. That's good. I can keep some stuff there. Not sure what kind of stuff, but there'll be stuff. So if there's a wall here, I can put this bad boy up here. There. Screws and stuff like that. It's a bad idea with this one here. Maybe I should make a little shelf for it here. It's pretty heavy. Or I have it there turned around. That's gonna suck so bad if I need a tool. Have to walk in here like a dwarf. It's a race van. It's not a van life van with pretty things everywhere. That's good. You gotta say hi to everyone out here in Romania. So I moved this toolbox over here so it'll be inside the garage compartment. I think it's a better solution. And right now I'm measuring, or kind of figuring out how to build the support system for the bed. And I think I'm gonna go with some 1 by 1 inch wood. And just run it down here and on the floor, and then all the way there that will support the bed. And the bed, I'm gonna look into having that made in aluminum, because it's lightweight and it's very strong. Because I don't really have anything to support it with here in the middle. Yeah, I don't want to use the roof. I don't want to have anything here. So I'm gonna get a bed made out of aluminum, and then a really nice mattress on top of that.